Hello. If you're a nanny, caregiver, baby lover, or someone looking to start in one of the best childcare industries, ICT Academy invites you to our top-rated newborn care specialist master training and certification program. Since 2008, ICT Infant Care Training Academy has helped thousands nationwide kickstart their newborn care careers. This career-boosting workshop is conveniently located in Midtown Manhattan in New York City. Join us for an intensive weekend of hands-on training with our expert instructors and leave with a respected official certificate. You'll learn the latest techniques in newborn care, experience our Baby Sleep Foundations program with certification, and review infant CPR, baby health and safety. Enjoy a networking lunch, group activities, and gain career guidance and resources for your success. Our students build lifelong friendships and undergo a transformative weekend of professional growth. Graduates of our program are in high demand by placement agencies, organizations, and families. Here's what some recent students had to say. Tashi said she's so glad she invested in herself. It was worth every penny. Carmen said it helped her advance her career and plan her own business. Zelda called it quite an amazing experience. Spots fill quickly, so don't wait. Register today to start your journey towards more money, more growth, and more fulfillment as a newborn care specialist. Visit ictacademy.org. We can't wait to see you there.